Welcome to the beautiful aft deck. 15 square meters of space for casual lunch or dinner, and a table capable of seating 10 guests. The hydraulic drop-down swim platform will accommodate your tender. The ladder on the portal will go to the flybridge. Let's get in the salon. 40 square meters center salon with large sofa, pop-up TV, great windows, and the stairs leading down to the master cabin. Direct access to the cockpit, the galley, and a smaller tea setting table. 6 persons can relax and enjoy their morning coffee or discuss with the captain during navigation. The 25 square meter master cabin has a private access from the salon and benefits from a very quiet environment with the latest insulated boardwalk, queen-size bed, Samsung TV, and electrical curtains. Plenty of storage everywhere and under the bed. A desk for a vanity table is also fitted. And Bose sound system. Ensuite bathroom with double sink. Up to the VIP. 18 square meter, queen-size bed, 34 inches Samsung TV and an ensuite bathroom. Ceiling windows to enjoy the morning sunshine are also present. Her bathroom is bigger than usual as she is not shared with the other twin in the 4-cabin layout, thus giving space for a large storage area. Welcome to the twin cabin. Bedding of 190 by 80 cm with the possibility of joining them together and creating another double cabin. 12 square meters of space with a vast bathroom. Electrical curtains and Samsung TV comes in handy. We now go up to the flybridge from the interior staircase. 35 square meter area with a console for the captain to cruise anywhere, where the fun and the party happens. A table of 8 for dining, a manual retractable bimini to ensure quick and efficient opening. Huge aft sun loungers and the possibility of fitting a jet ski. Plancha, fridge and ice maker complete this area for rapid 5-star service by professional crew. Moving down to the engine room from the aft deck. Powered by twin man engine of 12 volts and 1400 horsepower, one Onan 19 kilowatt generator. Sea gyro stabilisers come in handy at anchor and underway for maximum comfort. Let's finish this tour with the bow, a beautiful forward seating. Easy mounting shading to enjoy sunbathing or the well-deserved afternoon siesta.